What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fish and GrubbZ. Today we're here to open up the new Monsterbass Multispecies box. I am insanely excited about this. I'm actually more excited about this than I am about this because I've already opened this. I've already seen these lures, not this exact bag, but I get the lures early so I can take a look at them. So I've already seen what's in here. I know what's in here. I have no clue what's in here. So I'm jacked up to open this thing up and see what's in here. So today's episode, I'm going to try and not make any cuts. This is going to be raw, unedited unboxing. So if I make mistakes, they're going to be in here. I'm not going to go through and edit, which is something I do. Like, that's what I love to do. I love to edit, but it's late. I want to get this up to you guys. So let's open this thing up, and if you stick around to the end of the video, we're going to do a little giveaway. Because these are the kind of videos we do the giveaways with. You know, because I'm at home and I can look around and it works out for me. So, the Monster Bass bag for March. Let's get into this real quick. The BASSMASTER Classic winners. So basically, every bait, everything that's in this bag, except for one thing, has been a part of winning a Bassmaster Classic. Each one of them has their own story. We're not going to get all over the stories right now because I really want to get into this and then open this box up and get this out to you guys. If you want to learn more about the stories behind this, let me know. I'd love to do another video. I actually have a ton of information on all this stuff, and if you want to learn anything about that, I'll do some more research and we'll put up a video about it. But okay, grab the one bait. The first bait I grabbed is nothing to do. So, Trilene line. We get some Trilene XL line. This stuff has helped win more Bassmaster Classics than any other line, which I didn't know. That's a fun fact. If you didn't know this was going to be in here, you're silly. It is a KVD crankbait. A strike one. That's a given. That is a given. So we have a couple different things from Stanley Jigs, and there's a huge story behind this that I think is really cool. We could get into that later if you'd like, but we got like a Stanley jig and then some hooks from Stanley Jigs. We got the craw worm. Shows you a couple different ways to rig that thing up. We got power bait, chigger craw. We got the gambler bacon rind. A little creature bait here. That thing looks dope. Looks real good. Oh, those stink. I should have smelled that before. Those actually reek. Nice. They messed up on the. They messed up calling the line something that it's not. It's the Trilene XL. We said it right. And then we have the Rudweiser sticker, which I freaking love. I think I already put this one. Yeah, I have this one up there. I believe that's not the Monster, that's the Rudweiser. So that's dope. And the gentleman that won the last giveaway, Mark, sent us back the Monsterbass Dead sticker because he knows how much I love it. So this thing will go probably on the car, and we'll put it with the Rudweiser on the car. So that's awesome. It's a good bag. And we'll give some of this stuff away at the end of the video. I don't know what yet. Also, this is my favorite thing of all. So, in the first bag that I got sent for this month, I got the Rudd Red version of Alex's craw. And now, oh man, this is the one I wanted the most, I believe. This is the Juicy Peach. Juicy. Does it say it? Juicy Craw. Juicy Peach. That's the name of the bait we were using today. The trap out bait. That is the Juicy Craw. That is such a nice looking bait. I'm really looking forward to throwing these crankbaits. I'm not a crankbait guy. These are going to catch me some fish, and I'm pumped because I know how pumped Alex is going to be if I actually catch a good fish on a crankbait, because it's just a bait I don't use, and that's a reason why we get these boxes, you know, is to get stuff that makes you think outside the box, even though I still, you know, sometimes there's too many damn crankbaits. I got 2 in this box. Alright, so that's that. Can't wait to toss these. Let's open up this real quick. This is the multi-species box. I haven't gotten one yet. We just started doing it like a month ago, 2 months ago. It's very recent. Maybe right before ice fishing. I don't know. It's recent. I haven't got one yet. I'm excited. Let's open this thing up. Alright. This is dope. This would be great for crappie, perch. These look like they'd just go perfect together. Big bite baits. These are the Kamikaze Swim-Monin? And then they gave us jig heads that look like they pair up perfectly, and I love when you get a box that does that. I think that's great. Let's check this out real quick. Sorry about this, the unedited, guys. I take out a lot of the in-between stuff when I'm doing this kind of shit, but alright, let's take a look at this. This looks juicy. Out. Dude. That's awesome. The color on that thing is insane. Alright, that's it. There's a bunch of jig heads. 8 in the contender jig head, 1/8 ounce jig head. That's that. Get some fluorocarbon. Great. Awesome. And then you get this save 10% off over there. You get another Rudweiser sticker, so we're gonna definitely give this one away. This would be our 3rd one. Dope. This is the Patriot 2.0 in the color I don't have. Yes. Just loaded. Alright, so we'll give both of these away. That's sick. Alright, I like this. The Bitsy Minnow. This is going to work great in the creeks when Becca and I do creek fishing challenges, stuff like that. Definitely going to dig that. It's a crappy magic crankbait. I can't see it because of the packaging. So, let's crack this open. We're almost done here, folks. Hang in with me. Sick. Nice little crankbait. A little bit bigger than the one from Strike Master. Or Strike King, sorry. So that's good. Good having a couple different sizes. And then you got the Slash 12S Lunker Hunt Monster Jerkbait, which are going to be great here in the spring. Jerkbaits are key. Suspending. Some mustad hooks. And the What's Inside deal. You can win a $50 gift card right now. Awesome. Yeah, let's see what they called the, oh, that was in the other one. Never mind. Anyways, let's let's figure out what we're giving away. We'll put it in the bag. We'll put it in the bag. So, because I know you guys can use these bags for other things. So let's start off with stickers. Both of those. We're going to give away both of the lines. So the fluorocarbon and the trilene. We're going to give the power bait gambler. We got the crawl worm. I'm going to keep these Stanleys because I think I want to do a video on that. KVD crankbait. We're going to give away the Lunker Hunt jerkbait as well. And I'm keeping those Alex Ruds. So you guys get all of this the giveaway. Just leave a comment down below. Be subscribed, like the video, and please share any one of my videos. Just go out, share it to any platform, share it to your friends. Just please help us grow the community. That's all we're asking for. And that's it. That's our raw, unedited unboxing. Check out the new dope swag from Monster Bass. Super pumped about that shirt. I had no idea it was coming. It was a surprise, and I was freaking amped when I opened that up. I was like, what is this even from? And I'm like, oh, dope. That is freaking sick. Monster Bass swag is freaking top notch. That's like, we nailed this stuff, dude. We nail it. Between the stickers and the shirts, the buffs, we got that on lockdown. Anyways, I'm out of here. Eat some dinner. I'm starving. I caught a monster carp today. I mean, it wasn't a monster, but I'm amped about it. I'm freaking jacked. So I'm going to slap this onto the computer. I am not going to edit a thing, which is going to be really tough for me. And then I'm going to get this up. So we'll be watching this together for the first time. I'm not even going to watch it. I'm just going to get it up. So thanks for tuning in to another episode, guys. We will catch you tomorrow. Good luck on the giveaway. We'll announce it in maybe a week and a half. We'll do it live. We'll see ya. Fish out.